Following a successful transit from the CNI production complex in Vietnam, the flat-deck vessel carrying 4 spherical tanks arrived at the port in Taiwan on 28th of May. These tanks, each 18 meters in diameter, are integral to the turnkey EPC project for the China Petroleum Corporation's Dalian Storage and Transportation Center.
On the 29th of May, the CNI team commenced the installation of the link span to bridge the vessel and the dock. Simultaneously, structural components, including the heavy bracing and lower columns, were transported to the site. By the 30th, the precise installation of these lower columns onto the tank foundations was successfully completed, preparing the site for the structural mating process.
The 31st of May marked the beginning of the most critical logistical operation. Multi-axle self-propelled modular transporters were positioned beneath the first 450-ton tank. The 18-meter diameter structures were carefully navigated from the vessel deck to the primary lifting zone, positioned directly in front of the facility's active pipe racks.
To overcome the extreme spatial constraints of the site, CNI deployed a specialized 1,600-ton heavy lift crane.
Upon receiving the start command, the crane executed a meticulously calculated lift, safely hoisting each tank body completely over the operational pipe racks and smoothly lowering them onto a secondary weighting SPMT on the other side.
After that, the secondary SPMT transported the tanks to their final foundation. The precise alignment and installation of the tanks onto the pre-installed lower columns was executed flawlessly, with a completion time of just 3 to 4 hours per tank.
With the primary lifting procedure validated, the installation of the remaining 3 tanks commenced on the 1st of June. Adhering to strict engineering protocols, each structure was sequentially lifted, transported, and secured. On the 3rd of June, the 4th and final tank was successfully installed.
By maximizing off-site modular fabrication and engineering a heavy lift solution, CNI has safely delivered the core infrastructure for this state-of-the-art LPG terminal.
CNI, make excellence.